Okay. So I'm gonna do a little trick. So I'm just gonna cover up the lens, and then once I reappear it, it's gonna be my room's gonna be all clean. All right. So. Is it clean? All right, we're good. So, what's good, everyone? So I apologize for not posting last week. So today I will be making a vlog. Something I wouldn't usually do. I don't know if this is something I don't really do a lot. Well, I mean, in the past I've made a lot of vlogs. This channel was actually mainly a vlog channel before I quit. But now I'm just gonna get back to it. Let's see, I just want to see how it goes. Alright, what's good, everyone? So today's Tuesday, and my room's still a mess. Like, I had just woken up, and it's... Actually, no, I woke up 2 hours ago, and it's already 3. So, yeah, I should probably clean this up. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's go now. Alright, so today on the agenda, well, the only thing on the agenda is going to youth group. And honestly, that won't seem much of a problem. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. It's not good. This is not good at all. So the supports on the tripod are broke, and it's the only thing that holds the phone, alright? So I'm gonna have to order a new one online. Or you know what, actually? I think we have a few tripods here because at the time I was Blue Taser, we had a lot, and I'm pretty sure my brother had one, my dad had one, and I had 2, but one of them broke, and now today my other one broke. I think I saw one lying around here somewhere. Oh, perfect. Found one. Hopefully this will do. Alright, so the only thing in the agenda for today is basically going to youth group. I don't think I'm allowed to vlog there, but I'll see if I can. Or at least I'll just make a montage. It won't be too hard. Okay, I think it's about to drizzle again. Hold on. Wait. I'm not sure if it will. Great. Yep, it's drizzling. I better go back inside. Oh, no! No joke, it's starting to rain. I don't know if you can see it, but I know for a fact I can, and it's legit raining. Yeah, and the camera is not visible. Just saying. Well, I mean, if you really want to see if it's actually raining, you can look at the puddles, and if you see droplets hitting the puddle, then yeah, then you can tell it's raining. Really, the only time I go outside is when I'm vlogging, and it starts raining. Alright, so as it's raining before I go to youth group, I would like to bring up something that I already mentioned in this video. The top already broke. I don't know how. What did I do to deserve this, honestly?
20 minutes later.
Okay, so after one episode of The Office and a lot of brainstorming, I came up with something pretty, gosh. So after one episode of The Office and a really good idea, here's what I decided to do. Alright, so this tri thing, whatever this is called, the 3 legs, they're not really supportive. So what I decided to do, I transferred the top and put it into my broken tripod. Because the thing is, this top is broken, this one's not, and it's really supportive, which gives me an advantage of trying to transfer this into this. And it wasn't really hard, actually. I made it to youth group, and the weather here is very bipolar. Oh, hey, Danny. Yeah, it's very bipolar here. Like if you have seen some of my montage, it was raining. Like, oh man, like it's really wild out here. I think I also heard some storm and saw some lightning too. Just put it in, right? Oh, okay.
Could also just candy.
I think that's how you do it. Just don't forget that. Wait. Is there any water in here?
Very supposed to.
Oh, okay. I hear something, but it's very fainted.
Start it.
I don't know. Let me try it. Oh, there you go. I mean, this is a white people thing, so.
So that's why I only know half of it.
Yeah, same.
How to do this.
Yeah, same. Well, I mean, I'm actually, well, no, I'm fully Hispanic. What's in there?
And like,
That cup? Water. Oh. I think someone's been drinking it.
does that stay on?
I think so.
Keep that hot, right?
No, this stays on because that's the burner. Like, that's what keeps it hot.
Yeah, so
Yep, on.
that stays on.
Yes, that stays on, and I don't think it'll fill up. Fill it up. And I think you throw that filter away. I'm not too sure.
Yeah, but
Is it hot?
Yeah. I wanna
Okay,
cool it
then
down
leave it in there then. I wouldn't. Good job. Alright, so the thing with this conference room, they always have old sugar and creamer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think this is the new creamer and it has to be better than this, right? And I usually like the liquid creamer, alright? It's a lot better than the powder. Oh shit, I think I put too much. I think I put too much creamer.
Nah, you'll be fine. Or just put it in the bigger cup.
True. Yo, some of it's hard. Can sugar expire?
Maybe.
Yeah, comment down below if it does expire, please. I really want to know. Wait, did we turn it off? Wait, did we turn off the coffee maker? Oh, okay, so that's irrelevant. So that button's irrelevant. So, like, is this supposed to stay hot or
No,
the
I mean,
burner?
the coffee will stay hot, but you guys drink it anyways.
Yeah, sure.
Like, you guys drink it before it gets cold.
Yeah, of course. Are you sure you don't think caffeine's a drug?
I don't like to drink it.
I'm just drinking it just because it's exciting.
Yeah, I know, right?
And I want to drink something.
Who wants a cookie?
Who want to cook it?
Oh, me.
I'll take it.
Babe, where did you get them?
Okay.
Cookie. I'm trying to reference the office here. You obviously wouldn't know that.
Oh,
You're a fake fan.
I was
Would you
doing
like
it
my
fake
cookie?
fan,
Cookie?
Fake
So you
fan.
can-
Try my cookie.
You want my cookie?
Try my cookie cookie. Try my cookie cookie. Try my cookie cookie. Try my.
It's like an ice censure.
Oh yeah, that's your little Sandshrew. Nice.
That was good. That was fun. That was good.
Okay, why do I
It
know
sound
this?
like
I'm
it?
such a nerd.
Not that scene.
It doesn't say it like that.
She's talking to the baby.
You see that on video?
Yeah, I got it.
Me. That didn't scare me.
Actually, I'm gonna play this song.
I bought 3 books.
You found
Yeah.
what? You found
Let's go. He's freaking on a freaking Logan Paul vlog.